If you're watching this, you need to send me a PR. So, Mars Cosmetics. इतने सारे products. मेरे को lipsticks, lip tints, cheek tints, blushes. I just need them. So hello beauties, this is Sania and I welcome you to my channel, Carelessly Unfiltered. So today we're gonna do an unboxing video by Mars Cosmetics. I genuinely and truly love Mars, yes. So dear Mars Cosmetics, if you're watching this, you need to send me a PR. So what products did I order? So very first is this primer. It's Glow O'Clock. If you need your makeup to look smooth, man, you totally need this, and it's really affordable. If you have a little bit dusky but even a little bit glower skin, lighter skin as me, you can go for the shades. They truly suit you the best. Okay, so next I have is the Zero Blend Foundation, which includes SPF 30. I have ordered this in the shade 07 Caramel Glow. So this is my shade. So next I have is this Cancel Concealer. It's in the shade 07 Caramel Charm. Okay, and the important most element, man, blush in the shade Twilight, and it is subtle peach colored, which seems to be very natural. Nykaa, look at the shade, man. It's in the shade Flap and Fold. So आप दीवाने हो जाओगे इस blush के. I even have this Velvety lip tint with the shade 7 Secrets. The shade is amazing. Blushes की दीवानी हो भाई मैं. मेरे को और कुछ नहीं चाहिए, but मेरे को lipsticks, lip tints, cheek tints, blushes. I just need them. I just need this. और कुछ नहीं भी होगा ना तब भी चलेगा, but this, I need it. I need it. So next I have is this Glowfly Mask Highlighter in the shade Winged Champagne. It's really very subtle on your skin and gives you a golden touch. Yeah. अब आता है twist. Oh, how cute is this? They have sent me a pouch. Yeah, for free. It's a travel-friendly bag from Mars. Look at the color and the space. It can occupy so many of your beauty products. And this is going to be my go-to bag. What is this? It's like puzzle thing. Uske baad gratitude page. It even includes a gratitude page. So this was it for the video, and अगर आपको ये चटपटी वीडियो पसंद आई हो, you can subscribe my channel. And I do not filter anything here. And if you love those unfiltered vibes, you are always welcome.